Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969 coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Odyssey of the Seas. We're here on the inside of the ship. This is deck 5. We're out here next to Wonderland. They got this really cool area here for selfies. And, of course, the Wonderland restaurant itself. Let's check out the inside of Wonderland. Alright, let's go down the rabbit hole. Check this out. This cool Alice themed decor and wonderful food. I mean, I've been to restaurants on land, I've been to steakhouses, I've been to Italian food, but Wonderland is a really unique experience that you really have to try. Across the way is the Bionic Bar, and over here is also another one of my favorites, is Izumi. Izumi is a Japanese restaurant. Sushi. If you like the hibachi, they have those upstairs on deck 14. But here's Izumi. Here we are inside the Izumi. Hi guys. Hello. Yes. All right. Thank you. Yeah, the wonderful chefs here at Izumi will prepare all your favorite Japanese dishes.
I didn't notice this.
Over here is the Schooner Bar. Schooner Bar is home to many different entertainers. They do like trivias and all kinds of things like that. A lot of fun activities always at the Schooner Bar. There's actually, as a matter of fact, there's one going on right now.
All right.
Yeah.
Next one, number 2. In which country were
over here is the Focus Photo Gallery. You can see all those wonderful photos that the photographers have taken of you. Up ahead is the theater. It's closed right now, so we can't go in there at the moment. Alright, let's go down to deck 4. Alright, down a level to deck 4. Alright. Deck 4 is home to the lower level of the theater, the floor level, whereas deck 5 is the balcony. We also have the Diamond Club. The Diamond Club is exclusive for Diamond, Diamond Plus, and Pinnacle members. It's a nice little venue to get snacks. They also have, of course, drinks, but they have hors d'oeuvres that are served here every night. Over here is where the food would be. Happy hour depends on the ship, so check your cruise compass for details. Hello, hello, hello. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Alright. Over here is Music Hall. Music Hall spans 2 decks as well. It's here on deck 4 and also goes down to deck 3. Alright, here in Music Hall, you can see down into deck 3. They have many bands performing here. Of course, music and a bar for your favorite drinks. But they also have billiard tables, so you can play a game of pool. You can hear Christmas music being played in the background. It is December, so why not? And actually out here, this is the Esplanade. They'll have even a Christmas tree. You can see some Christmas lights here on the stairway to go up to deck 5. On the left is our Crown and Compass bar. This is like an English pub. But, like I said, here's a tree. And it's a very large tree. Look at this tree. Big tree. All the way up there. Spanning up to deck 5. Sorrento's Pizza over here. It's a favorite place to get a piece of pizza. A lot of shops. A few places. Yes. Even a Starbucks. Over this way is Guest Services up on the left side. In case you have a problem, the experts at Guest Services can take care of you. There it is. Guest Services will take care of you. Alright. Boleros, like a Latin theme. Got some wonderful music that goes on in Boleros every night. And of course a bar. Like I said, they have bands, they have live music in here. A small dance floor. But the main attraction, your favorite beverages. And that is Boleros. Kind of a Latin theme. Alright. Bet you can't guess by the signage what's up ahead. Alright, what is it? That's right. A main dining room. These video screens on both sides actually make a really elegant entrance. But there it is. The main dining room. I like how they did the main dining room here on the Odyssey, much better than the other older Quantum class ships, where they had 4 separate dining venues. They have this as one large main dining room. It's open, it's airy, it's bright, it's cheery. It feels so much better than the old style. Yeah. Look at this. This is elegant. This is beautiful. I like this a lot better. And they have this jellyfish looking thing that goes all the way up there to deck 5. Hello. Alright. But there's a lot more I want to show you. This screen here on the left side, it's pretty cool. They have like an interactive, you can move your hands and hit these beach balls around. That's pretty cool. Alright, but down here it's kind of like the adults' playground. Yes, can you see it already? Can you hear the sounds? This is the casino. Uh-oh. Looks like the casino might actually be open, so I can't film down here. They did want to show you the casino's not here. Can't film in the casino while it's active. So, shh, don't tell anyone. Right, but I do want to go upstairs to show you one more thing. This is kind of like a signature of Quantum class ships. Alright. Yeah. Up here is shore excursions. If you need to book a shore excursion, there's where you go. This is the rear elevator bank. The rear elevator bank has cool decor as well, including this. Looks like someone's lost their drink and is pouring it here. Up ahead is that jellyfish looking thing that I showed you from the main dining room. Alright, let's look down. Off to our right is Giovanni's Italian Kitchen and Wine Bar. It's a wonderful Italian restaurant. And wine bar. There you go. Grab your favorite beverage here. Up ahead is Next Cruise, where you can book, well, of course, your next cruise. Up here is Café 270. You grab some quick bites to eat. But what you really want to see is this here. It's called 270. Called so because you have 270 degrees of view. Beautiful ocean views. Beautiful views that start from starboard all the way around to the port side. Here on deck 5, we can also go up one level. You watch the shows here from deck 6. One of the strangest places to put a library is up here. Doesn't seem like a real quiet place. Kind of strange to have a library here where there's like loud music and shows going on here. But here's the library. Here's where the cool techs hang out. Here in the booth. And here's me, Mystery Shadow 1969, coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Odyssey of the Seas. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. If you like this video, big thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, hit the dislike button twice. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And hopefully I get to see you on board soon.